Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube subscribe link for your channel. So if you want to learn how to get more YouTube subscribers, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to grow an impactful online business, make sure to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below if this is your first time hearing about a YouTube subscribe link. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this is my YouTube channel homepage, and using an auto subscribe link on YouTube is an awesome and effective hack that's going to help you increase your subscribers count. And this is the reason why I wanted to share this hack with you guys. And you should be using this link anywhere and everywhere that you promote your YouTube channel, whether it's on social media. You could use it on your Facebook page. You could also use it on your email list and anywhere else that you're going to be talking about your YouTube channel and you want people to come back and subscribe to the channel. And basically what it is I'm going to give you an extension that you will add at the end of your URL. Your URL is your YouTube channel URL. You will add it at the end of your URL, and this will make the link an active subscribe link. And this is how it will look when people click on it. So this is my actual link, and this is actually my name, my channel name right here, my URL for my channel. And at the end, you're just adding this right here. !sub underscore confirmation equals 1. This is what you're adding at the end. I will leave this link or this extension in the comment section below so you guys could grab it. And all you would do is add that to the end. And when people click on your link, this is what they will see. It will say, are you sure you want to subscribe to Nancy Badillo? So it's an auto-populated link. They will click subscribe or cancel. Majority of people will go ahead and click subscribe to continue on the channel. I'm already subscribed, so it's not going to let me because it's myself. But basically, they will click and it will take them to your actual YouTube channel. And they will be a new subscriber, basically. So you want to add this right here at the end. If you don't know how to get your actual URL, all you have to do is sign in to your actual account and go to your profile picture right here and go to settings. From here, you will go to your profile picture right here and you will click on view advanced settings. And from here, it's going to tell you your custom URL. If you don't have one, you should be able to click to learn more how to create one. I highly recommend creating a custom URL. It's a lot cleaner. It looks a lot nicer. You don't want your URL to be 5678 WQRP 378 and that's your URL. It doesn't look nice. So having that custom URL, you could put your channel name at the end. It just looks more professional, and when you give that to people, or if you ever put in a business card, it just looks nicer. So this is how you get it, and you would just add the extension at the end of your actual URL. And this is how you create a live subscriber link that when people click on it, they automatically could subscribe to your channel. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoy videos like this. Let me know if you're thinking of possibly starting a YouTube channel for your small business. I highly recommend it. It is a great way to get your products and services to more people nowadays, especially because YouTube is the second largest search engine. So it's just another great way to start driving traffic to your Etsy store, Shopify. Maybe you'll have your own e-commerce store and your WordPress. So it doesn't matter, but YouTube is a great source for driving additional traffic to your business. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like to know more about YouTube, more videos on YouTube, and I'll be happy to go ahead and make them for you. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.